If you find my video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.
All right, today we're going to be changing the rear differential, also known as the transmission or the gearbox fluid. And this is on a 2014 Arctic Cat Wildcat Trail 700. Let's go ahead and back to the rear passenger rear well. All right, the things that you will need for this job include Arctic Cat transaxle fluid. This is the recommended fluid. It's a synthetic extreme pressure fluid specifically made for this job. That's what I would recommend. You'll need a fluid pump. This is specifically a pump that is meant for the lower unit of outboards, but it works great for this job. And then you're gonna need a ratchet, an 8mm hex head, and then an extension. And that's what I have here. All right, so if you're looking at the rear passenger wheel well, what you're gonna find is your fill in your drain plugs. So right here, if you're looking down here at the bottom, this one down here is your drain plug, and this is your fill plug. So you're gonna need to remove both of these, and I suggest having a drip pan underneath of this to make less of a mess. And that's where your 8mm hex is gonna come in handy with the extension. Let's go ahead and break that fill plug loose first. All right, so let's go ahead and take that out all the way. All right, let's go ahead and crack the drain plug loose as well. All right, now let's go ahead and remove that all the way. All right, once you've removed both caps and are letting the fluid drain, you want to inspect the caps. O-rings actually look pretty healthy on this, and your magnetic surface doesn't have any significant metal shavings. So if they did, we'd clean that off and we'd probably inspect gears, but luckily ours looks great. So let's go ahead and reinstall our drain cap here and leave our fill cap out. That way we can get ready to refill the fluid. All right, so the way that you refill this is you place the pump into your reservoir of new fluid and you place the other end into the fill hole, and you'll basically pump the fluid in until you see it running out of this fill hole. And all you do is put the fill cap back in and you're done. So we're just continuing to pump that fluid in until we see it running out this fill hole. All right, so we got all 41 ounces of that transaxle fluid in there. We tightened in our fill plug and we are done. The nice thing about buying the transaxle fluid directly from Arctic Cat is that 41-ounce bottle is exactly how much this takes.
If you find my video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.